we have another asteroid impact scenario. And this is on top of Apophis, which is coming in 2029, and it will come within 17,000 miles of our planet's surface. And now, in the year 2032, if we survive the Apophis event, we have another asteroid set to potentially impact our planet with enough force to wipe out thousands of miles of civilization. An impact from an asteroid from space would block out the sun for years. The sun was last blocked out in 1816 for 1 year when the volcano erupted. This is a year without a summer, and people starved to death all over the world. December the 27th, the year is 2024, and an automated telescope in Chile detects a near-Earth object designated as asteroid 2024 YR4. Subsequent analysis by the Minor Planet Center and space agencies worldwide revealed that this asteroid has a chance of impacting planet Earth on December the 22nd, 2032. This asteroid has prompted the activation of global planetary defence protocols to assess and mitigate this potential threat. Asteroid 2024 YR4 is estimated at around 100 metres in diameter, and while this is not large enough to cause a mass extinction on our planet, it is a city killer, and an impact from an object of this size will still result in significant regional damage depending on the impact location and the asteroid's composition. As of the 31st of January 2025, the European Space Agency reports that asteroid 2024 YR4 has a chance of safely passing by the Earth on December the 22nd, 2032. However, due to uncertainties in its orbit, a potential impact cannot yet be entirely ruled out. Continuous monitoring and additional observations are essential to refine the asteroid's trajectory and reduce uncertainties. In response to the potential threat posed by this asteroid, an international planetary defence mechanism has been activated. 2 United Nations endorsed international asteroid response groups are currently deliberating on the appropriate next steps. These groups are responsible for coordinating global efforts to assess impact risks and develop potential mitigation strategies. Several strategies will be under consideration to mitigate the potential threat of this asteroid impact, and this involves sending a spacecraft to collide with the asteroid to alter its trajectory. NASA's Double Asteroid Redirection Test mission in 2022 successfully demonstrated this technique by impacting the asteroid Dimorphos, providing valuable data for future applications. China have said that a nuclear deflection may be appropriate in this scenario. In scenarios where the asteroid is large or detected with short warning times, deploying nuclear devices near or on the asteroid could be considered. The resulting explosion would aim to change the asteroid's course or fragment it into smaller, less harmful pieces. And a gravity tractor involves positioning a spacecraft near the asteroid to exert a small gravitational force over an extended period, gradually altering its path. While this approach requires significant time and precise execution, it offers a non-destructive means of deflection. Transparent communication with the public would be nice when managing potential threats to our planet. Will authorities provide timely updates as new information becomes available? Amateur astronomers will no doubt be able to see this asteroid approach. Trajectory updates are essential. The detection of asteroid 2024 YR4 underscores the importance of global collaboration in planetary defence. The activation of international response protocols. This is a step that has never been taken before to prepare for measures to protect Earth from this potential impact. Ongoing monitoring, research and technological advancements remain pivotal in safeguarding our planet from celestial threats. As of now, asteroid 2024 YR4 has an estimated chance of impacting our planet on December the 22nd, 2032. The potential impact corridor extends from the Eastern Pacific, across Northern, South America, into Africa and reaching South Asia. However, it's important to note that these predictions are based on current data, and the exact impact location, if it were to occur, cannot be precisely determined at this time. Ongoing observations and analysis are essential to refine these estimates and reduce uncertainties. Asteroid 2024 YR4 was discovered on December the 27th, 2024, and it was discovered by the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, the ATLAS, and using its telescope located in Chile. ATLAS is a NASA-funded project designed to detect near-Earth objects that could pose a threat to our planet. Upon its discovery, the asteroid was automatically flagged by warning systems due to its potential risk of impacting planet Earth. An impact from an asteroid of 100 meters in diameter would depend on various factors, including its composition, speed, angle of entry, and impact location. If the asteroid is made of rock, it may fragment or explode in the atmosphere due to its intense pressure, like the 1908 Tunguska event. If it's metallic, it's more likely to reach the surface intact. An asteroid of this size would typically enter Earth's atmosphere at 67,000 miles per hour, generating an energy equivalent to 100 megatons of TNT, which is several times the power of the largest nuclear bombs ever detonated. If the asteroid explodes 18 miles above the Earth, it could create a Tunguska-like event, flattening forests or cities over thousands of square miles. If the asteroid breaks apart or explodes before reaching the surface, like the Tunguska event in 1908, it could create a massive fireball. The explosion would generate an intense heatwave capable of igniting fires over wide areas, possibly up to thousands of square kilometres. The shockwave would also flatten forests or cities within hundreds of miles. For example, the 2013 Chelyabinsk meteor, which was only 20 metres wide, exploded 30 kilometres above Russia and injured 1,500 people. A 100 metre asteroid would be far more destructive. The impact of energy equivalent to 100 megatons of TNT, the impact would cause instant vaporization of the asteroid and surrounding ground, creating a fireball hotter than the sun. A massive firestorm would ignite everything within a radius of a few hundred miles. The Barringer crater in Arizona was created by a 50-metre iron asteroid and left a 1.2 kilometre wide crater. 2024 YR4, however, would create a crater over 3 kilometres wide if it's dense enough. But 70% of Earth is covered in water, so there's a high chance it could impact the ocean, and instead of a firestorm, it would cause a massive tsunami, sending waves over hundreds of metres high across coastal regions. Coastal cities could be devastated by the wave and flooding. The impact of an asteroid 100 metres wide in an ocean could trigger tsunamis similar to the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, but only much bigger. Will it cause a firestorm? Yes, if it explodes over land or impacts a populated area, it would ignite a massive firestorm. And if it hits the ocean, tsunamis would be the biggest threat instead of fire. And if it burns up in the atmosphere, there could still be damaging shockwaves, but no surface level fires. Astronomers are currently monitoring this asteroid 2024 YR4 to refine its trajectory and assess the real threat level.